Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Zay Clack. Welcome back to my channel, Clack Kicks. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to lace your Jordan 4's just like this. I'm going to give you a little on-foot look. As you can see, it's one of the cleanest, most comfortable and simple ways you can lace your 4's. It's super easy to do, and in my opinion, this is hands down the best way to lace your 4's. So if you want to learn how to do it, stick around. We're going to do a tutorial, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so the first step before you start lacing is you want to make sure that the sides of your Jordans, they're not choked up and they're not close together. So in order to properly loose lace them, you want to make sure that you kind of pull them apart a little bit so that there's a gap. You want to make sure that the lace tips are even. So I like to start from inside and lace it through the out. Move it to the side and pinch the end so that it's organized and flat, and then you're gonna lace it through. And as you pull it through the hole, you want to make sure that you run the lace through your fingers so that it stays flat. And then you're going to repeat that on the other side. And it's basically the same process. So inside, out. Now inside, from the inside to the outside. All the while you're making sure that the laces stay flat, because if you get it all twisted, it's not going to look good. And then you repeat that process all the way up until you get to this hole, and then I'll come back to you. Alright, so now that we're up to this point, I stopped right before the top three. You want to make sure, before you proceed, you want to make sure that the tips are even again. So starting with the lace that's on top, which is going to be, once again, the lace that's on the inside, you're going to take it and same thing, just thread it through the first hole. Alright, and then one more time, you're gonna lace it through the second from the middle hole. Alright, so now you're at this point. You've laced it all the way through to the top two holes, and now you have this much lace. Now, in order to loose lace it, you're gonna want to slowly pull it out until you get to the length that you want. I like it about that much, like an inch. You want to do that on both sides, obviously. And then from there, you're gonna have this much excess. Now you're gonna want to distribute this excess by pulling on the laces below it, and giving it a loose lace look. So you're gonna want to take it from the outside and kind of slowly pinch it and pull it outward. Same thing. You're gonna pull it outward, pull it outward, pull it out all the way down. And then on the way, then you're gonna go same thing, but on the way up. And this time you're gonna pull it inward. So from the outside, pull it in, pull it in, pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. And as you go through, you want to take your thumbs and lace them through the gaps, and you want to push them and spread them apart. And you want to keep doing this process until you get till you get rid of this excess right here. So you're gonna pull, 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 pull. Okay, and here's the final product. As you can see, it's loose laced. I got the tips just how I like it, and it looks pretty good. There's a better angle from the front. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. If you enjoyed and if you found it useful, please leave a like, comment down below what you want to see from me next, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep making sneaker related content for you guys, and I'm looking forward to it. So yeah, have a good one. Peace.